ELI5 free-falling physics question. The gap will get bigger over time. Acceleration is constant. They both accelerate at the same rate. But the first object was already traveling faster. The first object had a bit longer to accelerate. This means it had time to pick up speed before the second one started. It has this bit of extra speed the entire time. And so this extra speed will cause it to keep gaining ground. The gap will get bigger, because the first object had more time to accelerate, and will always be moving faster, creating a bigger gap. However, if you timed the two objects separately, they will each take the same amount of time to hit the ground, with no air resistance. The mass is irrelevant in this question as well. Consider it from the second object's point of view from the moment you release it. Both objects are in free fall, so there is no relative change in their velocities. They are both coasting. So the first object would still carry the velocity it had already gained, but no more, compared to the second. So the distance between them would increase at a constant rate over time. If the building is infinitely tall, and no air resistance, will gravity continue to accelerate the dropped objects? Because object A was dropped first, it would always have higher speed than object B. So the distance between the objects will continue to increase infinitely. This way the objet will eventually reach light speed, which is impossible. So that will never happen. But the distance will increase until the objects are stopped by the ground. They get farther apart in space, but they have the same time distance. The second one will still hit the ground after the same interval that it was released at. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.